Today, let's learn how to deactivate our Messenger accounts on, Messenger. So how do you actually do? So let's actually hit on to our Messenger account so that I may teach you guys step by step on how to deactivate your Messenger accounts. All right, sir. In order for you to actually deactivate your Messenger accounts, all you guys need to do is get on over to your Messengers and, of course, log into the account that you wish to deactivate. Let's actually head on onto our settings over here on Messenger, and let's actually head on over here on the Help tab. And what we actually need to do here is to search for how to deactivate our accounts through Messenger. Well, normally you can do this on the Facebook application itself, but it's kind of a different thing when you want to do it over here through Messenger. So, of course, wait for that to load. It's also going to vary on how fast your internet speed is. So just make sure that you have pretty fast, internet speeds so that you may be able to access the Help tab right as fast as possible. Okay, so what do you actually want to do? What do you actually want to deactivate? So search for deactivate. And of course, you're going to have the option to actually deactivate your account over here. So over here, you have the option to actually deactivate your Facebook account by, heading on to the application itself of, Facebook, and actually enabling or rather disabling your account through with the settings over there. But it won't really be possible for you to do this onto, the Facebook Messenger account. So what do you guys want to do once you're here is let's actually get onto our Facebook accounts right here, head on to the settings, and of course, scroll down over here to Settings and Privacy. Now, once you're here on Settings and Privacy, all you need to do is head on over onto Settings. All right, so once you're on Settings, let's actually search for Deactivate and search. And of course, that is automatically going to redirect you onto the tab where you can deactivate your Facebook account. Now, once you actually deactivate your Facebook account, you can actually head on and directly deactivate your Messenger account as well, because those two are linked, which is very easy and of course very convenient for you guys, especially if you want to just basically deactivate one account. You can head on onto Facebook and deactivate both accounts all at once. All right, that is how you deactivate your Messenger accounts through Facebook all at once. And of course, thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Again, this has been How to Web.